First, we're going to demonstrate our hybrid holster. On our hybrid holster, we have both Kydex and leather. What makes us different than most other manufacturers of this style of holster is that we actually take the time to line the back of it. Notice there's no hardware back here where it comes to the Kydex being mounted to the leather. On the back, we use a very minimalist approach. We want to use as small and as flat connectors or anything like that we need for our clips. The reason why we do this is because we need to be able to allow you to raise and lower the clips independent of each other. Not only can you affect the height, you can also affect the cant. By raising one side, lowering the other side, you can change the way it leans or cants inside the pants. The Kydex is important because what it does is it prevents when the gun is removed, the pants will not collapse the holster, thus allowing you to reholster the weapon. When you wear this, you're going to wear this somewhere between, think of your body as a clock, 12 o'clock being right in front of you, 3 o'clock being on your side. If you're right-handed, you're going to carry this somewhere between the 3:30 and 5 o'clock position, as you can see I have here. Okay, it's easily reachable. It's a one-handed draw. The trigger guard's enclosed, so you don't have to worry about shooting yourself. Carry the gun with it chambered and ready to go. What Jen's going to demonstrate is how to put one on. Obviously, this will be much easier for getting dressed in the morning. Okay, you simply put it in with Kydex and the clips in until you get it to the proper position. Then reach in, grab each clip, and then obviously clip it to the pants. Notice that Jen is not wearing a belt. For this style of holster, you're not required to wear a belt. The clips are strong enough to where it will not pull out while you're wearing this holster. Go ahead and give her the gun. Okay, as you can see, the gun is clear. Safety first. Put this in. Okay, so you can see that the gun is concealed. She can get to it. Okay. In fact, I want you to do that one-handed so people can see that you can get that out. You don't need to fumble with anything else with your shirt. You can, if you needed to, you have another hand to defend yourself. Okay, moving on to the next type of holster. Okay, this is what we call our appendix carry. It's actually not a pure appendix carry. It has the same properties that our hybrid holster has the Kydex shell, has that same orthopedic grade leather on the back. And when you flip this over, you can see that there are no fasteners on this, and that's because the clip is actually mounted to the Kydex itself. If you flip it back over again, you can see that the Kydex the Kydex has the clip on it. The clip is designed to be worn with a belt, so you do need to wear a belt with this one. Okay, and so go ahead and put that on, and you can see this is very easy to put on. You put it on, you're obviously going to put the clip over the belt. Okay. A big advantage to this one is that yes, it does have a smaller footprint against the body, but you can also change the position much easier than you can or other hybrid holster that has the two clips. You can see that she can move it up to the appendix carry area. This is great for women as well because women sometimes wear more form-fitting shirts that if they have a gun on the hip, it may be more noticeable. So when they're going to go sit down for dinner, movie, getting in and out of the vehicle, they can move it back to that 3:30 to 5 o'clock position. But when they're walking around, they're in the mall, they're in wherever they want to be at work or whatnot, they can simply move it up to the front and you can't see it. Again, it has the same properties as a one-handed draw. It's very safe. Trigger guard's enclosed, and okay, as you can see, you can still wear the holster when you're sitting down, either in a chair or even on a motorcycle. You can still retrieve the weapon while you're in a seated position, which is very important because you don't want to stand up necessarily, or you may not be able to just stand up to get to that firearm. So you can also reholster while you're in a seated position. Okay, this is our all Kydex holster. The construction is, of course, all Kydex. We have different finishes on the Kydex. You can see this one is a carbon fiber style. The advantage of this type of holster is, again, this is a quick grab it, go, get in and out type of holster. Very important because it still keeps it safe to carry the gun. You'll notice it features the same type of clip that our Appendix carry holster has. You'll notice that you do need to wear a belt with this. Go ahead and put it on. This one is designed to be worn on the inside as well as the outside. You can wear this on the outside if you were left-handed, if you wanted to draw from a left-handed position, but you can still use this as an inside the waistband and a right-handed. So of course it depends. We do provide either left or right-handed. It's your option, but the left-handed version would have the slide guard on obviously the left-hand side, the right-hand side of the gun, like that. It features an adjustment screw that's in the front there. Larger guns will have two. This particular one, because this is just a shield, it has only one adjustment for retention, so you can increase or decrease the retention as needed.